wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers,
Hello my friends. Joyous.
put down my bag,
Sit on my chair.
I
Joyous.
love playing,
I love learning. Joyous. And this is how we learn. Yay!
Hello children, I'm teacher Lija and today I'm going to tell you a story. So children, are you ready for the story?
Yes!
Yes! Children, today I'm going to tell you a story about orange, pear, apple, pear by Emily Greven. Orange, pear, apple, a pear. Apple, pear. The pear is sitting on the apple. Orange, bear. The bear now is in orange. Oops. Orange pear. The pear is now orange. Apple bear. Now the bear shaped like an apple and the color turned into green. Let me see. Oh, the bear now shaped into a pear and he's holding apple and orange. What is he doing? He is balancing the fruits on his head. What fruits did you see? I see an apple, pear, and the top one is an orange. What is he doing again with the fruits now? Ooh, he's juggling the fruits. Apple, orange, and pear. Be careful, bear. Don't drop it. Oops. What did he do to the orange? He added up. Again. What did he do to the pear? He added up too. And all he left is the core of the pear. I think the bear is really hungry. Now he's giving a big bite to the apple. There! What did he leave in the corner? All the fruit he ate. I think the bear is really full and he feels sleepy. He going to sleep. Bye bear. The end. Alright children, do you still remember what are the words that we learned from the storybook? Apple, orange, pear, and the hungry bear. Well done. Now, let's put them into a song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, orange, oh, orange, pear, 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 pear. Apple, apple, bear is fruit, bear is fruit. One more time. Oh, orange, pear, 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 pear. Apple, apple, bear is fruit, bear is fruit. Alright children, thank you for joining the storytelling today. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
hello teachers,
Hello my friends. Joyous.
put down my bag,
Sit on my chair.
I
Joyous.
love playing,
I love learning. Joyous. And this is how we learn.